You know what ages you faster than wrinkles? It's losing your color. As we age, we lose pigment in our skin, in our hair, our eyebrows become sparse, and our lips, the color in the lips become pale, our skin becomes paler, our eyes become lighter. We lose color in our complexion. And so the best way to bring back that brightness and to bring back that healthy glow is to add color. But it's really important that you bring it back with the right color, color that harmonizes with your own beauty, okay? Undertone, color of your hair, color of your eyes, that all makes a difference. I want to show you the Glow Cream. This is a product that I had developed, and I made it because it was an easy way to bring back some life to your face really quick. It's a multitasking cream. Cream is amazing for more mature skin because it just melts right in and it looks very natural. And this product can be used on your cheeks just by tapping it on. It's buildable, so you can use as much as you want. You can put it on your eyelids, and you can also put it on your lips. Now this one is made for the light category, all right, the light color category. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatching for you so you can see some of the different colors that this comes in, but not every color is gonna be for you. The next one is Watermelon. This one is perfect for that cool woman that has gray hair, silver hair, and she's very sophisticated. She doesn't have a lot of contrast in her look, but her undertones are very much cool. So the Watermelon is perfect for her. Next I have Vermillion. And Vermillion, this one is great for the soft color category. Doesn't have any shimmer in it, which is great for the soft color category. Someone with mousy blonde hair, maybe medium brown hair. It also will work for the deep category. You can just build it up and it gives more of a rich color. Then we have Jam. This one is fun. And you might want to wear this, but if this is not your color, then don't do it because it's not going to look good. All right, that one is for the warm gals, okay? The redheads, the strawberry blondes, the auburn haired women. All of these colors are gonna make an impact on you, whether it's good or bad, depending on your color code. So make sure that you understand how color works with your skin. Please don't stop wearing makeup. We need to bring that color back to your face. I've put some resources in the box below. Check it out. Bye-bye. Until next time.